Welcome to the iWEBAPP review widget. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will install the plugin, find 3 supported Google Business profile links, import reviews from a link or a spreadsheet, customize the free design options, and publish the finished review section on a WordPress page. Start in your WordPress dashboard. In the left menu, open Plugins, then select Add Plugin. At the top of the page, select Upload Plugin. Choose the plugin zip file you downloaded, then select Install Now. When WordPress confirms that the installation is complete, select Activate Plugin. The iWEBAPP Reviews menu item now appears in your dashboard. You only need one supported link. The next 3 methods are alternatives, so choose whichever is easiest. Option 1 uses Google Maps. Search for the business. In this example, we are using the public profile for iWEBAPP Agency Incorporated. Check the business name and address, select Share, then select Copy Link. The current Google Maps share format begins with maps.app.goo.gl. Option 2 is the complete Google Maps place address. With the correct profile open, select the browser address bar, select the entire address, and copy it. This is the most reliable fallback when a short link cannot be expanded. Keep the complete HTTPS address, including the place data at the end. Option 3 starts in Google Search. Search for the business name and city, open the matching business panel, and confirm the name and address. Select its map or address link, then copy the complete maps.google.com address. The importer also accepts older goo.gl/maps links and legacy g.page links when you already have one. Remember, choose only one of these link options for the import. Return to WordPress and open iWEBAPP Reviews. Stay on the Import tab. Under Option A, paste one of the supported links into the review source URL field. Confirm that you own the business or have permission to import its public review content. Then select Save URL and Pull Reviews. When the import finishes, the Reviews tab opens automatically. You can return later and select Pull Latest Reviews to check for new public reviews. Option B is for authorized review data you already have in CSV or JSON format. This sample CSV uses a header row with name, rating, comment, date, and ID. Each following row represents one review. Quotes are useful when review text contains commas. The 2 entries shown here are demonstration records, not real customer testimonials. You can upload a file or paste the CSV or JSON directly into the text area. Then select Preview and Map Import. In the mapping window, match each source column to the correct review field. Reviewer name and review text are required. Rating, date, image, and a unique ID are optional, but including them gives you better control and helps prevent duplicate records. Check the preview cards, then select Import Mapped Cards. A success message confirms the import and opens the review library. Use demonstration data only for testing and replace it with content you are authorized to publish. On the Reviews tab, each saved review has clear controls. You can show or hide individual entries, select All or Clear All, set a manual position, or remove an item. Select Save Review choices when you finish. Pulling updated reviews later preserves the visibility and order you selected. Open the Grid Design tab. Begin with the heading, highlighted line, and introduction. The preview updates as you work. The free version includes Showcase Mosaic, editorial heading above, simple grid, and single column list. For this example, choose Simple Grid, then select the 3-column by 2-row desktop preset. Use the rating filters to display only the star levels you want. Continue through the available controls for review limit, order, spacing, colors, borders, corner radius, padding, profile image size, typography, and font style. Display options let you show or hide reviewer images, dates, the Google logo, reveal effects, and iWEBAPP attribution. Select Save Design when the preview looks right. The Embed tab contains the saved shortcode for your default design. It also shows an override example for changing supported settings on one page without replacing your saved defaults. Copy the default shortcode before you create the page. We will return to the Final Info tab after the shortcode is published. Open Pages and select Add Page. Enter a clear page title, such as Customer Reviews. Select the block inserter, search for shortcode, and add the shortcode block. Paste the code from the Embed tab into that block. Select Publish, review the page settings, then select Publish again to confirm. Finally, select View Page. After the shortcode is published, return to iWEBAPP Reviews and open the Info tab. This final tab summarizes the workflow and provides links to the feature guide, support information, and the plugin site. Your review section is now live with the design you saved. Return whenever you want to update the content or appearance. For step-by-step help, visit glowingreviewswit.com/docs.html. For plugin details and updates, visit glowingreviewswit.com.